I like your
This
bird.
video.
Shut the fuck up! My bird is not fucking cute. He's not cute. He's a fucking asshole, okay? Where do I even start with this? You know, I give him food every day. I give him water. I clean up his fucking newspapers that he uses as shit paper. Alright, let's see what my buddy can shit at this week. Oh, the World Soccer Championship. Don't mind if I do, don't mind if I do. Imagine if Belgium won the World Championship. Like, the hype would have never died down. I'm so glad we lost. Ooh, women's brute. Well, my bird's gonna shit on women's rights. Do you reckon he's a bigot yet? Or am I the bigot? I don't know. You know what? Let's just put this over it, just for good measure. Just some more Belgian shit. Here's a joke about Muslims. You know, I can prepare this guy a meal of kings and he will just look at me like I'm some kind of a androgynous freak. He never fucking listens. He spreads his dandruff everywhere. He shits everywhere. Everywhere. He's a fucking asshole. He always hisses at me and shit. No, I give him showers every day. I treat him like a fucking king. And then he just treats me like a piece of shit servant. Don't get a bird ever. Don't get a bird. It's not worth it. They make terrible pets. They are dirty. They have lots of diseases. They just. Yeah. But besides all that, you just cannot stay mad at him.